Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and we have our Battle of the Boxes this month, PR versus a box I paid for. So this is my PR box. It is sent to me free of charge in exchange for nothing except an honest review, which is what I do. It's the month of August, and the theme for this month is Go All Out. The first thing I see is from Laura Geller, and this is the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. That could not be more boring. I will not even touch this, swatch it, or anything. I'm sure I can find somebody who would appreciate this, because I don't. And that retails for $45, and it's a BoxyCharm exclusive, it seems. All right, the next thing I see is Dr. Philly Fawn. Dr. Lily Fawn. This is the Probiotic Lash Enhancer with patented peptides technology, created by XLash. So this retails for $68. This exclusive formula featuring a patented peptide complex is natural and safe. With clinical results, it delivers a wow effect while providing length and volume. It helps promote the natural growth of beautiful, long, and healthy lashes. Apply at night to help you get gorgeous lashes. With continuous use, grow longer and fuller lashes in 4 to 12 weeks. I will not use this, so I will put it aside, and I will tell you why. Not just because I don't really wear mascara, but also because I feel like when you start using things like that, like a lash serum or a brow serum or something, the minute you stop using it, it's game over and it stops looking good. And I don't want to be forced to keep buying something for that purpose. So I will not use that. But if you do, you know, yay for you. All right, this is something from Truly. This is the Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. Hemp jojoba vitamin E to hydrate and condition your lips while protecting them. Perfect daily balm that adds a juicy shine to your lips while locking in moisture all day long. You can even wear it to bed as like a little lip mask. Oh, I love when they do that, when they put like, and it looks like ice cream. And it's neon green, so that's fun. Oh good. It's not actually like glossy, which is something I don't want in like a lip balm. Like I just want it to be a balm. It doesn't have to be glossy for me to like it. And actually I'd rather it not be. So I will definitely use that. And this retails for $16. All right, the next is from Monica Dar. And this is the Hydrating Facial Mist. This retails for $19. Known as one of the natural wonders of the world, the Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, potassium, are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, and revitalize and strengthen skin. Shake well, hold mist 2 to 4 times in X or T formation. Close eyes before misting. I will absolutely use this. It doesn't mention anything about it being used with makeup, so I won't use it for that because that may be a problem. The last thing in here is from Frank Body, and this is the Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. Drop it like it's hot. Booty Drops is a firming oil that helps soothe you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, guarana to energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, and grapeseed oil and jojoba oil to help soften and get glowing. Use right under your skin or mix with moisturizer. Cool. I'll definitely use this. Feel supple, hydrated, tighter, and firmer. And this retails for $17.95, or we'll just say $18. This box was okay. It was okay. I think I'm most excited for this. Oh boy. Okay, so here is the box. What is wrong with me? Here's the box I paid for myself. Okay, here we have our box that I paid for August. And again, the theme is Go All Out. And ooh, the first thing I see is a brand I've never actually heard of before. This is the Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. This feels very heavy. It's glass. Oh gosh, that's a gorgeous bottle, wow. The new step 2 of your routine. Use directly after cleansing, mist onto clean, dry skin, both AM and PM, and before serums, moisturizers, and SPF. Pro tip, spritz 3 or 4 pumps of Pineapple Glow Mist onto your clean towel before patting your face dry for a nourishing and refreshing finish. What? That's weird. Okay, anyway. Pineapple Glow Mist is formulated with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants to eliminate dullness and restore dewy, healthy glow. Lightweight formula absorbs instantly, contains unique blend of extract, peptides to stimulate collagen production and deeply hydrate. I will absolutely use this. And I don't see alcohol. That's fantastic. And this retails for $38. And I mean, listen, it's glass. It's totally glass. The next thing is, Pure Lease Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream with SPF 40, naturally and glowy coverage, moisturizing, brightening, helps improve firmness and reduces wrinkles. It's in the shade Light. Multitasking serum infused with beauty balm. a multitasking serum infused beauty balm that contains, I don't even know what this word is, bakuchiol, algae collagen and vitamin C to firm the skin's elasticity, brighten and moisturize, all while providing natural glowy coverage and protecting your skin with SPF. Hydrates, reduces wrinkles, fine lines, discoloration, improves skin's elasticity, reduces hyperpigmentation, and protects skin from damaging radicals. This retails for $38 as well. I'm not actually gonna open it to check the shade because I don't wanna open it before I need to use it because I have so much stuff to go through, it's painful. But I'm very excited. I love stuff like this. And I think there's a few things I've used from Purely's. I don't think I've ever had anything that I hated, so I'm hoping this is good. Ooh, I love this brand. This is the Volition Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. Whew, okay. This retails for $49. A daily treatment oil with hibiscus flower and licorice root to minimize the appearance of dark spots and discoloration as it soothes and nurtures. I love oils. Love, love, love. So absolutely I'll be using this. Next is, another Earth Harbor product. This is the Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream, Seaweed Collagen and Blue Tansy. This retails for $34. Inspired by the iridescent blue-green crystal known for healing and strengthening. Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream is restorative and awakening. Also glass. It's like looks like clay. Features a brightening and hydrating combination of seaweed, collagen, blue tansy, potent antioxidants, replenishing plant oils, and soothing actives for an eye area that looks firmer and feels stronger. This is very important to not have alcohol. You don't want to put alcohol, like bad alcohol, by your eyes. And I have to look this up. Cane alcohol is the second ingredient. And there are a few like okay alcohols in here, but they're very close to the top, so I don't wanna. It actually has like a kind of alcohol-y smell. All right, I'll have to look more into this. But it says the alcohols are certified organic, non-GMO, and wild crafted. I don't know what that means. Okay. And the last thing in here is, another shadow flip from, I have this already. This is the Siate London Shadow Flip Multi-Chrome Shifting Liquid Shadow in Ember. I believe I got this in boxycharm like last month. Yes, I did. It's got like this green, orange, red, yellow, gold shift. It's weird. It didn't go on very well. I haven't honestly played with it since, so I'll have to try again before I decide to keep this or not. All right, let's see. Okay, the paid for box wins. The two things that I'm not like in love with, well, I want to be in love with the eye cream, but I need to look up some ingredients first. And the Siate London, also not in love with. Oh, that's $20, by the way. But honestly, I'm still gonna give it to the paid for box because the other things I'm way more excited about. So yay, congratulations, box you paid for. You did it, world's best cup of coffee. So that was it. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm or your Boxy Premium box for the month of August in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.